Yeah, all right. So, and tell me this, is it similar like for Centurion or is
Yes,
it
similar to
Centurion?
it, yes.
Because I used to work with the Centurion for the boom
Oh,
gates,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So yes, the new
PC board.
mainboards, yes, comes with a Bluetooth setting, so you can configure it via Bluetooth.
It's
So
the same like a smart,
correct,
D5, D10 and all that.
correct, correct.
That's
Yes.
perfect. And which software they are using it?
Um, the software.
Yeah, for the
It's
app.
I'm not 100% sure what software it is, but I think it's Android. I'm not 100% sure. Okay.
Okay, so this
Then
is your boom,
together with that, we have a VR10.
like a safety beams.
Correct. No need for loop detection anymore. Also Bluetooth setup. Okay. With that, we also added our license plate recognition camera.
There's like a NPR.
LPR, yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Yes. We do not do our own
For the
spikes,
yeah.
but we do integrate with third parties like Turnstar, for instance.
Okay.
Okay. Another solution we've added to the boom is our UHF.
Oh, for the tech.
Correct. Yes. It's become
That's-
very popular for estates.
Yeah, because this one I saw one of my client they for the takes for the car and they were asking me about this. So this is
Yes.
very good. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
And how many takes we can?
I think it's up to 30,000.
30,000 takes. Yeah.
Yes.
That's
If I
perfect.
remember correctly. So we have it in a 5 meter and then a 10 meter.
10 meters. Yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
Another solution we've added to the boom is our Private Face X device. So this is a very high-tech IP rated and also IK rated device. So it's got palm and then facial card and pin. Yes. And with
That's
it
very
is
good.
an adjustable stand. So depending on
Like for the height, for the up and down. Yeah.
then we do our own manufacture our own turnstiles. We have the single lane, double lane, 3 arm.
This is same like we can put the fingerprints, like open and
Yes,
lock.
you can
Yeah.
build you a full solution depending on your requirements, whether you want to add cameras or what recognition you want to use. Walk through turnstiles. With this standard comes with a built-in RFID card reader. Special add-on, we've added a gooseneck Speedface V5L. This is an indoor device, so it uses palm, fingerprint, and then pin as well.
That's good.
X-ray machines, so we have different tunnel sizes, different penetration boards depending on the requirements of the project. Normally they are on specification on government projects and so forth. But we do assist with the health and safety application on the X-ray machines.
That's good.
Walk through metal detectors.
Metal detector,
We
yeah.
have 18 zones up to 33 zones. We have an elevator solution. So let's say for instance you are in a building that has 20 floors. Your finance department is on floor 2, but your training floor is on floor 3, and then you want to invite trainees to come visit your office, and you don't want them to go to floor 3. So what you do is via the software, you send the trainee an invite. They pre-register with whatever preferred method you are using. Let's say for instance you're using it facial, so they enroll with a selfie. Once they get to the building, pre-enrolled, they scan their face, then the lift will only take them to floor 3.
That's
They
good.
won't
So,
have access to
so
it.
even if they want to stop on the number 2, so it's not gonna be. It's just only gonna take you to the number 3.
Correct. If there's someone getting out on floor 2, that person unfortunately is screwed. They can have to stay there because their face won't recognize to open.
And that is because this one I see also in by Bedford View side.
Yes.
And I was wondering why when I want to press, so this is not like
Yes,
going
you
there.
can't go.
Yeah, so it's only going there number 3.
So So it is coupled with our elevator controller, similar to the one you just showed me, the black controller.
For the
Yes.
maglock and all that, yeah.
That's correct. So this is just the elevator controller. And then this is the F-Word 1500, a very popular access slide. So it does fingerprint and card access. This is also a card reader.
Card reader, yeah. So this one is gonna be can fit for the for the lift or
Yes, we integrated with Schindler. Schindler, I know we've done, and then what is the Coney? I know we've done, but yes, they need to.
so
be
most of
printed.
the new lift they can
Correct.
fit this
Yes,
systems.
yes. Correct.
That's good.
Once again, the F-Word 1500. Here it's just with the added with the rain shield, coupled with our maglock. That we as a
This is the same system I'm busy, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So here is the entire controller. You have the black one working on Axis 3.5.
Yeah.
So we've upgraded it to the Envio Pro, which is the white one now. We have a 2-door, 4-door, 160, 260, 460.
Oh, okay.
Maximum up to 4 doors per controller. Then coupled with that, we've put it in an Envio case with your power supply indicator.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, then it's just a normal KR, card
For the-
reader, pin or card or both. The Pro or F reader. Unfortunately, this one you do not need a controller. You can add it directly to the software.
Oh,
So you
okay.
don't need a controller for this one. Once again, coupled up with the maglock. Then on the inside you can have your no touch or your brake as a solution. Pro Capture WP can be used as a standalone system where you can enroll on the device itself, or you can do it via the software if you need controls. Yes. So it uses fingerprint, PIN, and then also has an external bell function. Let's say for instance you use it at a cash office or something like that, you can wire external bell.
Who don't have the for the access to be going, then you can just press the bell button
Yes.
and to be for the assist.
Correct, yes.
Okay.
Then we move on to our smart locks. These work on apps on your phone, unfortunately not via the software. So all of our locks uses 4 Duracell batteries. This one has fingerprint, PIN, and then also it comes with an emergency key. They are also reversible mortises, so no need to indicate whether it's a left or right.
And this is the battery. How long lasts
So
for?
we've tested it with Duracell, so up to 1 year depending on the usage.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But via the app it will give you indication if the batteries are low.
And if there's someone want to be try to break, there's got the alarm or anything, or
Yes, it will send a notification to
On your phone.
There's for instance you're away for holiday and you come back, the batteries are completely run out. There is a C-type port at the bottom. You can just plug your power bank and then wake the lock up to open the door to change the batteries.
so this lock can fit any doors, or
Yes.
this is for the just
Except
standard,
for aluminium, we are not there yet.
not the
For
aluminum
the-
one.
Yes, only the wooden.
No, that is very good.
The ML100, it's a very popular smart lock used for residential. The reason for it, it also has a bell function. So let's say for instance you have someone at your front door or your bedroom or your office door, they can just press the bell.
The bell, yeah.
It will then ring on your cell.
On phone.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
It also has card, PIN, and then built-in fingerprint. Same as that one. It uses 4 Duracell.
Okay, tell me one thing. Can he open from the phone?
Yes, you can release the lock. Yes.
Release the lock from the phone, even if you are away from the country or anywhere you are.
I can't remember if it's Bluetooth or
The GPS
yes.
for the like a SIM card or something, you know,
Yes.
like.
I am not.
So this is all the locks is working with the Bluetooth,
Yes.
not for the GPS like you can go away from the, then you can open from anywhere.
I think the ZL range works with the, but it's not going to be via the phone. It's going to be via the software.
Via the software.
Yes. You can,
Okay. So this one like is for the range. Like if you are on the Bluetooth range, then you can
Yes.
open from your phone and then he will send you the signal.
Correct. Correct, yes.
Okay. All right. Perfect.
Then we move over to our hotel locks. So these are for hotel installations.
Is this for the hotels? Yeah.
Yes, correct. Guest houses, hotels. So it works with works with software because you need to know which person are coming to visit. Okay. And also from there you enroll a card for your visitors.
To like how many days we can give the access
You
and
schedule everything via the
Oh, that's good.
Unfortunately, these need to be specified how many are left hand, how many are right hand, because it's not
Okay.
reversible.
And tell me, this is any for the license fees or anything for
There
this?
is, I think the first 100 is for free. on
100
HLMS.
doors.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Thereafter you pay per
Yeah, that is even is more than enough. If 100
Yes.
is free, then you know that's it's quite
Correct,
good.
yes.
And the price range we have, you're gonna be checking or you
Yeah.
can.
So
and
the
like
price range it just differs depending on the installation. Like the ZL500 needs a gateway. So for after every 10 locks, you're gonna have to insert a gateway for the additional 10. So that's the only extra cost.
oh, okay.
Okay, so that concludes hotel locks.
So this is all is the same, right? This
Yes,
is for the
they're all hotel
hotels,
locks.
yeah.
It's just different models, yes.
Okay.
Then we have the new cylinder locks that we've launched at Zktech this year. This is for your aluminium
Oh,
doors.
the
We use it
aluminium
at our
doors, yeah.
offices. Yeah. So you just take out the cylinder and then replace it with the cylinder lock. This one uses a pin. That one uses a fingerprint.
So this one you can install for any normal locks, right?
Yes.
So we just remove that the cylinder and we just put it in this one.
Okay.
Oh, this one even they can fit for any doors.
Yes.
Okay, and how does this work for the, how are you going to set the fingerprints and all that, by a phone or
Yes. Via phone.
via software with a phone for the app?
No, via phone, not via software.
Oh,
Simply
okay.
software, yes.
All right.
Okay, and then this is the aluminium look. It's still in testing phase. We're still testing it, but it's a small look for the, most of the residential apartments uses the aluminium door locks these days. So yes, we are still
Okay.
testing it.
That's good.
Drop arm turnstiles. Once again, it's coupled up with the Proface X, as you've seen there in the adjustable stand. This one just has a temperature indication. Could be used for schools and so forth.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
I'm not going to show you this locker solution because we are replacing it with the other one. I'll show it to you
Okay.
now. Then it's just our cameras, CCTV.
All this is for the IP cameras
Yes.
and for the analog.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is our new locker solution. So we will be making the locker, and then this is the new G4 Pro device. So how it works, you have one of two options. One, you can make it as a standalone system, meaning you just need the lockers and the device. So how it works is you will say storage, you'll present your face. Okay. Unfortunately, it says there's already one in use. So, but it will open the next available door. You will add your stuff in, go do your shopping, come back, say pick up, you say present your face. It's going to give you the same locker.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you take out everything. After that, it overrides.
That's good.
The other option you have is via the software. You can allocate a locker to a person or to an employee. Okay. which they will still need to verify using
Oh,
their
okay.
face. So no more lock and keys.
That's
Okay, and then it's just our Speedface V3L device also recently launched. It can be used for time and attendance or access. It is also IP6065 rated, so it is a semi-outdoor device.
So this one is more for like we can use for the attendance and.
Yes, it can also be used for access, depending on how you want to use it. Yes.
That's good. So
But
the
here at the
smallest one.
office, we use it for time and attendance.
Okay.
Good.
So
And
that's all
that is-
you have
yes.
the products.
We are still waiting for the rest of our stuff too.
All right. Thank you for explaining me for all about your products, and thank you so much.